Oregano and zucchini make a tasty plant-based pasta alternative for dinner. When we think about dinner, pasta often comes to mind. The familiarity of spaghetti, penne, or fusilli is comforting, but what if you could enjoy that satisfying pasta experience without the heavy carbs or gluten? Enter zucchini, ribbons or a fragrant, savory herb, working together to transform zucchini into a flavorful, plant-based pasta substitute. In this detailed discussion, we'll explore how oregano and zucchini can create a delicious plant-based dinner, including 3 complete recipes, plus tips for prep, seasoning, presentation, and how to mix and match flavors for a satisfying meal. Why zucchini and oregano? Zucchini is widely available, mild in flavor, and easily spiralized or sliced into ribbons. It cooks quickly and absorbs flavors nicely. Oregano adds a punch of Mediterranean aroma and earthy bite. Combined, they can mimic classic pasta dishes while keeping things light, plant-based, and gluten-free. Whether you're looking for low-carb dinner options, wanting more vegetables, or following a vegan or gluten-free lifestyle, zucchini with oregano offers a satisfying vehicle for texture and taste. Nutritional benefits: zucchini is low in calories and carbs, rich in fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. It hydrates and adds volume without heaviness. Oregano is rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and C, and has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Together they provide health benefits while enhancing flavor. Swapping traditional pasta for zucchini noodles can cut down refined carbs and calories, support better blood sugar control, and help increase vegetable intake. With careful seasoning and high flavor sauce, you won't miss traditional pasta at all. General preparation tips: choosing zucchini. Medium-sized zucchini, not too thick or small to get uniform ribbons. Avoid ones that are overly soft or have large seeds. Spiralizing or slicing. Use a spiralizer, julienne peeler, or mandoline to make noodle shapes. You can also slice zucchini into thin ribbons with a vegetable peeler. Salting briefly, lay ribbons in a colander, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and let them drain for 10 to 15 minutes. This draws out excess moisture, important so your dish doesn't get watery. Blotting: after salting gently, pat dry with paper towels. Light or serve raw. For warm dishes, ribbons for 2 to 3 minutes in a bit of oil or sauce. If you prefer crisp, tender al dente, less cooking is fine. Raw zucchini noodles also work in chilled or warm sauces. Seasoning with oregano: use dried or fresh oregano. Add early in cooking with aromatics like garlic and onion, or sprinkle fresh oregano at the end for fragrance. Balancing flavors: acidity from lemon juice or tomatoes, umami from olives, capers, or nutritional yeast, richness from olive oil or plant-based cheese all help round out the zucchini base. Texture components: add roasted vegetables, toasted nuts, or legumes for chew and substance. Recipe 1: garlicky oregano zucchini noodles with cherry tomatoes and pine nuts. Ingredients: 3 medium zucchini, spiralized into noodles, 1 cup, cherry tomatoes, halved 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 2 tablespoons, toasted pine nuts, 1 pinch red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves or parsley for garnish. Instructions: place zucchini noodles in a colander, sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon salt, and let rest for 10 minutes. Pat dry. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat, add garlic and red pepper flakes, cooking until fragrant. Stir in oregano, then add cherry tomatoes. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until tomatoes soften and release juices. Add zucchini noodles to the pan, toss gently for 2 minutes until just tender. Avoid overcooking. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Remove from heat, sprinkled with pine nuts and chopped herbs. Serve immediately as a warm, garlicky, plant-based pasta alternative. Flavor note: the oregano pairs beautifully with tomato sweetness and the crunch of pine nuts. A squeeze of lemon at the end brightens the dish. Recipe 2: creamy oregano zucchini alfredo with cashews and nutritional yeast. Ingredients: 3 medium zucchini, peeled into wide ribbons with a vegetable peeler, 1/2 cup, raw cashews, 1 small onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, chopped 3/4 cup non-dairy milk, 3 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1/2 lemon, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh oregano or parsley for garnish. Instructions: blend soaked cashews, non-dairy milk, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper until smooth. Set aside. Salt zucchini ribbons briefly and pat dry. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat, add onion and garlic until translucent. Pour in cashew cream sauce, stir and heat gently. Add extra milk if you prefer a thinner sauce. Add zucchini ribbons, toss to coat in sauce, and heat for 1 to 2 minutes until lightly warmed. Remove from heat, taste, and adjust seasoning. Garnish with fresh herb and serve. Pantry swap ideas: If cashews aren't available, try blending silken tofu or soaked almonds. Nutritional yeast gives cheesy flavor. You can add vegan parmesan if desired. Recipe 3. Spicy Mediterranean zucchini pasta with oregano, olives, and chickpeas. Ingredients: 3 large zucchini. Spiralize 1 can, chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 cup Kalamata olives, pitted and halved 1 red onion, thinly sliced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons tomato paste or crushed tomato 1 tablespoon, olive oil juice of 1/2 lemon, salt, black pepper, and red chili flakes, fresh parsley for garnish instructions. Salt zucchini noodles briefly, pat dry. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add onions and garlic until soft. Stir in paprika, oregano, and tomato paste, cooking briefly until fragrant. Add chickpeas and olives. Stir to coat. Cook 3 to 4 minutes to warm through. Add zucchini noodles. Toss gently and cook 2 minutes. Seasoned with salt, pepper, chili flakes, and lemon juice. Garnish with parsley before serving. Flavor profile. This hearty, spicy Mediterranean combination highlights oregano's boldness while chickpeas provide plant-based protein and substance. Why oregano and zucchini pair so well? Aromatic synergy. Oregano's herbal, slightly peppery flavor complements zucchini's mild sweetness. In Mediterranean cuisine, oregano often flavors tomato-based dishes, so combining it with zucchini and tomato-based sauces feels very intuitive. Texture, equilibrium. Zucchini ribbons provide slender, noodle-like body with gentle bite. Oregano, in a sauce or marinade, adds aroma and depth without overwhelming. Flavor absorption. Zucchini readily absorbs olive oil, garlic, tomato, herbs, lemon. The oregano helps unify these flavors. Versatility. These recipes scale eyes. You can swap herbs, vary spice, or change legumes. Full narrative. Dinner scenario with zucchini, oregano pasta. Imagine coming home on a weeknight, eager for dinner but not wanting heavy pasta. You grab zucchini from the fridge, spiralize it into noodles, and sprinkle a pinch of salt while you prep garlic and tomatoes. The aroma of garlic sizzling in olive oil meets the fresh oregano fragrance as you stir and chop tomatoes. Cherry tomato juices bubble until soft. Then you toss zucchini in the pan. Within minutes, you have a warm, steaming plate of zucchini pasta that looks invitingly colorful. Deep reds from the tomatoes, green noodles, herbs, golden pine nuts. Your partner sits down. Wow, smells amazing, they say. They take their first forkful. Al dente zucchini meets tangy tomato, garlic, oregano, nutty crunch. Every bite tastes like real pasta, even though it's all vegetables. You could feel lighter afterward, no heaviness or bloating, just contentment, nourishment, and a full body warm from spices, herbs, and olive oil. Later, you store leftovers but not soggy. Because you salted and dried, the noodles stayed firm in the fridge, ready to toss cold into a salad the next day. You think? This is sustainable, plant-based, delicious, and something you can easily cook again in under 30 minutes? Oregano and zucchini are stars. Simple, inexpensive, flavorful, and cheerful. Recipe swaps and pairing ideas. Swap herbs. Use fresh basil in place of oregano for a brighter herb note, or add thyme for earthiness. Add vegan cheese. Sprinkle with fresh vegan mozzarella pearls or vegan feta crumbles before serving. Add toasted breadcrumbs. For crunch, toast breadcrumbs in oil with garlic and oregano, then sprinkle on top. Add crushed nut seeds, hemp seeds, toasted almonds, or pumpkin seeds. Add texture and protein. Add grains. Toss cooked quinoa or farro into zucchini noodles to add substance while still reducing carbs. Tips for maximum flavor. Use good quality extra virgin olive oil for its fruity, rich mouth. If using dried oregano, crush it between your palms before adding to release oils. Add a splash of lemon juice or a vinegar to balance richness. Season in layers. Salt noodles early to expel water. Season sauce mid. Cooking, retaste just before serving. Avoid watery sauces. Remove zucchini's moisture and cook quickly to preserve texture. Fresh oregano garnish, bright and aromatic. Don't overcook it. Add just before serving. Oregano and zucchini in broader, plant-based cooking. These 2 ingredients can be used in salads, bakes, gratins, or stews. Beyond pasta analogs, zucchini sliced and baked in layers with oregano, tomato, and vegan cheese becomes a dairy-free. Zucchini boats stuffed with chickpeas, olives, oregano, and tomato sauce are flavorful. Zucchini slices roasted with oregano and garlic make superb, and their compatibility is wide. Italian or Greek styles, spicy or mellow, warm or chilled. You can build on the same flavor. Base garlic, oregano lemon, oregano marinade, oregano tomato, zucchini stews, combined with other vegetables like eggplant, mushrooms, peppers, onion all pop when oregano is the binding herb. In summary, zucchini and oregano deliver a tasty, flexible, Plant-based pasta, alternative for dinner, with zucchini noodles, aromatic oregano, simple sauces, and a few add-ins for texture and richness. You can recreate classic pasta satisfaction in a lighter way. My 3 recipes: garlicky tomato and pine nut, creamy cashew alfredo, spicy Mediterranean chickpea skilly. Demonstrate variety using the same star ingredients. You can tailor to your dietary preferences, spice level, or what's in your pantry. In under 30 minutes, you get a colorful, aromatic, low-carb, gluten-free plate. So next time you crave pasta, try zucchini noodles with oregano instead. You may find it surprisingly satisfying, fresh, fragrant, light, and versatile. This plant-based twist on pasta may become your new weeknight favorite.